Hello and welcome to LeetCode in PHP. Today we are going to solve another LeetCode problem and its longest common prefix. Let's see what's the question. Okay. It says write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. Okay. For example, flower, flow, flight is FL, and dog, racecar, car. There is no common prefix among. Okay. So how can we solve this problem? The first thing we can consider the shortest word in an array, because it's not possible to have a prefix. It says prefix. Okay, so write a function to find the longest common prefix among an array of strings. Okay, so I think it's let me see. Imagine that we have an array, something like car and race car and so prefix. Okay, so it says that if we have, for example, if we have race number 1 and then we have rain and then we have rain forest, we should return RA. Okay, so how can we can compare this with this? Okay, in what way? In we should compare this and this, so it take a long time. So what is the better way? We can use nested loops, but I like to find a better way. We have race number 1, then rain, and then we can do something like this. For items as item. Okay, so we say letter is nothing. Okay, and then check. Let me write the code. Okay, we can copy this part. Okay, so this must be PHP. Okay, we don't have PHP tag here. Okay, okay. Imagine that we have strings equals race number 1, rain, and rain forest. Okay, and then we have solution equals new solution, and then we can say solution longest prefix piece strings. Okay, and it will return. Okay, I'm going to for each on strs as str. Okay, and letter must be nothing, and check if str len of str is, and we have also an I, okay, which is 0 at the first, and prefix goes this, and if str len of str is I plus 1, then break, I think, and or if str of I if letter, I think last letter would be better. Letter is not an empty string. No. Last letter, okay. If last letter is not equal an empty string, we have if string I is not equal to last letter, then you can break. Okay, and here last letter what am I doing? I don't know. How can I solve this problem? We have, I'm going to check one there is two possible situations. The first one is that the first item is bigger than the answer, the correct answer, or is shorter than. Okay, so if it's shorter, for example R, so it means answer would be this. Okay, so if it's too longer, it means that I think we should make a loop. And then this, and then this. So I can say something like this. I equals 0 until I strs I str 0. Okay, I plus plus. Then before each on strs as str. We can use label, I think. First for, okay. For each strs as str, if str len of str is less than I plus 1, it means that we can break. Okay, if it's not, if str, we can break or go, can we say break first for? Is it correct? Because we don't want to break from this, we want to break from this. If str, let's continue and we will fix it. If str I, if last letter is not an MP3 string, then we should check if str of I is not last letter, then we can say prefix. We can break from first loop, first for. Okay. Break operator with non-integer operand. So it means that we don't have this. We have go to, yes, go to, and okay, else last letter would be str of I. Okay, so if the for loop ends, we can add prefix, the str of I. Okay, and then we can return prefix. What do you think? We have I prefix. I think we start here. Let me see. Go first for and str. Okay, so I equals, and then str. Okay, let's see. Let me see. I race number is 1. First for I is 0. Why it's 0 again? It will start again. I don't want to do. Okay, maybe we can say something like this. What do you think now? Is R, but let me see. The answer is not R because we have A answer is okay. Race number 1. What happened here? We say for we say we have a loop from with a length of first string. Okay, so we continue this loop, and then we have another for each, another loop, which will do on all of these strings. Okay, all of the items. We will echo them, and if str len of str is less than I plus 1, for example here, we can say I race number I is not less than I plus 1, because I is 0 and I plus 1 is 1. Then we can say that str len of str is not less than this. Okay, so, and the next one, last letter, is if stri is not equal to last letter, let me see, I have to log all of these line by line. We have str. What is str? We have str. Yeah. We can say is short. Okay. Last letter is this. Okay, so this is last letter, and here we will say that str of I. Why we say str of I? Is not equal with last letter, and prefix. Okay, race number, rain, last letter is Y. Oh my god. And okay. Rain, race number, then rain, last letter is R. Rain, forest, I think we can move this here, close this. Okay. Okay. We have race number 1, rain, rain. Let me rain, last letter R. Is R, then rainforest. It means that it's not a problem. And then why we didn't add the prefix? Because we want to do the loop. Okay, we going to rain and then R. Okay, race number 1, then last letter is R. A is not R. We don't update the last letter. I think this must be no, not here. Should do it here. Last letter is the R of I. This I think. What do you think? So we don't need this part anymore. I'm not sure. It seems that it worked. So let's check this. Strings 2 is, it says FL, and this strings 3 and answer is, what answer should be? Nothing. Yes, it's nothing. It seems that it's correct, but let's check here. Remove all of this. Now answer is, we don't need this. Copy and paste. Let's test. We used a nested loop. I'm sure that there will be better way, but what does it mean, 0 millisecond? I didn't expect this response. I expected to be here, but it's very interesting that it was very interesting, and I'm very happy about this result. Okay, this was for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video.